Okay. So now children, I'm sharing my screen with you all, right? And what you all have to do is you all need to write date and classwork on page number 127, children. Write down date and classwork on page number 127. Okay? Yes. So see here, children. Now the question is, write the numbers in increasing order. Increasing order means you will write the numbers from smallest to biggest, smallest to biggest. Okay. So again, there are two-digit numbers. So whenever you want to compare two-digit number, what is that first step? You compare the number in ones place. You have to compare the number in ones place. Okay. So first you have to compare the number in ones place, and if the number in tens place are different, fine, you can compare them easily. But in case the number in tens place are same, what you will do, you will move to the number in ones place, and then you will compare the number in ones place, and then you will decide which number is greater or which number is smaller. Okay. So I have told you this earlier also. Again, I'll give you one example. This is the first bit. The question is 95, 58, 56 and 44. And now you have to arrange these given four numbers in increasing order. Increasing order, again I am repeating, when you have to write the numbers from smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. Okay. So what we will do? We will compare the number in tens place. This is our first step. So if we talk about the number 95, in tens place we have 9. If we talk about the number 58, in tens place we have 5. If we talk about the number 56, in tens place we have 5. And if we talk about the number 44, in tens place we have 4. Okay. So what do we have in tens place? We have here 9, 5 and 4. Okay, and we know that if we are comparing the numbers 9, 5 and 4, Hanvit, pay attention. Hanvit, please look on your screen. So if we are comparing the number 9, 5 and 4, we know that 4 is smaller, or 4 is always smaller than 5 and 4 is always smaller than 9. So the number 44 will be the smallest number here. So in this first circle, we will write 44. So children, write down 44 in that first circle. Okay. Now children, in tens place we have 9 and 5. And we know that 5 is always smaller than 9. So what we will do is, we have to here write the number in, we have to write the number here which have 5 in tens place. But now if you will look on your screen carefully or in your book, you will find out that we have two numbers here which have 5 in tens place. That is the number 58 and 56. So what you will do is, now you cannot say anything which number is smaller, which number is bigger. So now you will move to the number in ones place. You will move to the number in ones place here. So here, if we talk about the number 58 in ones place, we have 8. And if we talk about the number 56 in ones place, we have 6. So now we have to compare number 8 and 6. And we know that 6 is always greater than 8. Sorry, 6 is always smaller than 8. So 56 is smaller than 58. So we will first write 56. And in the third circle, we will write 58. Okay, children? Please keep on writing answers. And those who have completed, please check your answers. Okay? And what is the last number here, children? Last number is 95. So you will write here 95 in the last circle. Okay? Yes, fine. Now we'll move to bit number B. Bit number B. Okay. Siddharth. Siddharth.
Ma'am.
Yes, Siddharth, tell me answer for bit B. Numbers are 81, 69, 71 and 70. Which is the smallest number here, Siddharth? Siddharth?
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me which is the smallest number here. Start
18,
comparing.
ma'am.
Huh?
80. 69.
Okay, very good. 69. After 69, what shall I write?
70.
Very good. Then?
71.
Very good. And the last?
69.
No, last one.
81.
What is that? Again, tell me, last number is?
81.
81. Very good, Siddharth. Very good. Very good. T. Suryansh, tell me answer for bit number C. Which is the smallest number? 76, 84, 93, 82.
చెప్పు గట్టిగా
Start
చెప్పు
comparing the number in tens place first. Yes.
గట్టిగా చెప్పు
Suryansh, I'm waiting. Tell me fast.
గట్టిగా చెప్పు
76.
Very good. After 76, what shall I write?
ఇది 76 అయిపోయింది కదా 3 నెంబర్స్ 84 93 82 ఏది స్మాల్ నెంబర్
Tell me 82, 84 or 93. Which is the smallest among these three numbers?
82.
Very good. 82. Okay. After 82, what shall I write?
84 93
Yes, 84 or 93?
84 చెప్పు
84.
Okay, 84. And in the last one, what shall I write? What is the last number?
93.
Very good. 93. Okay, thank you. Very good. Okay. Tanaswiri, you tell me answer for the last bit. Bit number D, Tanaswiri. Which is the smallest number here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me answer for bit number D. Which is the smallest number?
చెప్పు ఇది చూడు
12.
Very good. After 12?
14.
Very good. Then?
23.
Very good. Then?
32.
Very good. Very good, Tanaswiri. Children, those who have completed, please keep on checking your answers. Again, I am repeating, please keep on checking your answers, okay? See, those who have completed, very good. Now, children, we'll move to the next one. We'll move to the next question now. Come to question number 9 there. On the same page, question number 9 is there, children. This time you have to arrange the numbers in decreasing order. Decreasing order means when you have to arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest, from biggest to smallest, right? So here, children, we'll come to bit number A. Okay. Bit number A, the question is 21, 97, 64 and 36. Numbers are 21, 97, 64 and 36. And we have to arrange these numbers in decreasing order. Decreasing order means from biggest to smallest. Okay. Yes, from biggest to smallest. Okay. Yes, children, now fine. Now it's fine. Now I'll be arranging numbers from biggest to smallest, right? So again, what we have to do is whenever we want to compare the numbers, we will compare the number in First, we will compare the number in tens place. In tens place. Okay. So now we will see the first number is 21. Next is 97. Then 64 and then 36. So children, if we talk about the number 21, in tens place we have 2. If we talk about the number 97, in tens place we have 9. If we talk about the number 64, in tens place we have 6 here. And in number 36, in tens place we have 3. So now we have to compare the number in tens place. That is 2, 9, 6 and 3. And we have to find out which is the biggest number here. Okay. So Arnika, you tell me which is the biggest number here in bit number 1. Bit A.
67.
No, Swarnika.
This one, ma. 97.
97.
Very good. So 97 is the biggest number here. So we will write in the first box,
Mottam
first
cheppu.
circle 97. After that,
Cheppu.
64.
64. Very good. After that,
36.
very good. Children, those who have
21.
completed, check your answers. And last one, Swarnika.
21.
Very good. 21. Very good, Swarnika. Very good. Yes. So now the next one. Sudhamsh, you tell me answer for bit number B. Bit B, Sudhamsh.
100.
100 is the biggest number here. Very good, Sudhamsh. Then after 100, what shall I write?
Cheppu. Cheppu.
84. 82.
Very good, Sudhamsh. Then
79.
79. Very good. And the last one?
42.
42. Very good, Sudhamsh. Very good. Yes, children. Again, I'm repeating. Keep on checking your answers, okay? Yes. Now, last. Oh, okay. Bit number C. Sai Joshi, tell me answer for bit C. Which is the biggest number here? 99, 58, 97, 63. Sai Joshit.
99.
Very good. And after 99, what shall I write? Tell me.
27.
Very good. Then
63.
very good. The last one?
58.
58. Very good. Very good, Sai Joshit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now you can mute yourself, Sai Joshit. Thank you. Yes, now the last one. Ketan. Ketan. Ketan, unmute yourself and tell me answer for bit D. Ketan. Asra.
Ketan,
Asra, unmute yourself.
tell me.
I am Ketan, ma'am.
Ketan, now you are unmuting yourself. Okay. Wait,
I
Ketan, I'll come back to you first. Now let Asra answer and then I'll come back to you. Okay. Within 5 minutes, I'll come back to you, Ketan.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes, Asra. Tell me which is the biggest number here.
बिगेस्ट नंबर बोलो
Biggest number.
ओ इसमें से बोलो जे स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा ना
Yes, see here 55, 65. Huh?
65.
Very good. And after 65, what shall I write?
63.
Very good. After that, what should I write?
50.
हाँ बोलो
5.
55. Yes. And in the last one?
52.
Very good, Asra. 52. Again, I'm repeating, children, those who have completed, please keep on checking your answers. Yes, those who have completed, please check your answers. Is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? If there is anyone who is still writing the answers, you can raise your hand. Option is there in your meeting. You can raise your hand. Yes, Advait, do you have any doubt? Advait?
Once you keep sometimes after I write, you write, then we'll continue.
Okay, so shall I give you 1 minute?
Yes.
Okay, Advait. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute time. Write down fast. Yes, children, again I'm repeating, those who have completed, please keep on checking your answers, okay? Those who have completed, just check your answers. You all should note down correct answers. Okay? And those who have completed, they can come to page number 125. Children, open page number 125. Those who have completed, please open page number 125. Again, I am repeating, children. Those who have completed, please open page number 125. And write down date and classwork there. Today date is 27. Yes, children, again I am repeating. Those who have completed, please open page number 125 and write their date and classwork at the top of the page. Okay, children, is there anyone who is still writing? You can raise your hand. Is there anyone who is still writing? Okay, so now I'll come to the next one, children. Okay, see, children, on page number 125, you all can see match the following is there. Match the following is there, children. On page number 125. Yes. So now what you have to do is, I'll give you 2-3 examples, what you have to do and how you have to match. Okay. I'll give you 2-3 examples here. No need to note down these examples anywhere. Just keep on looking on your screen. Okay. See, children, suppose I am writing here the number 43. Number is 43. Okay. I am writing down this question and number is 43. So what I can do is, I can write this 43 as, okay, first we will see what do we have in ones place and what do we have in tens place. If we talk about this number 43, in ones place we have 3 and in tens place we have 4. Again, look on your screen, children. If we talk about the number 43, Asra, please look on your screen. In ones place we have 3 and in tens place we have 4. We have 4 here, right? So what can we do is, we can write down this number 43 in tens and ones. How we will write that? I can write down this 43 as 4 tens, because we have 4 here in tens place now. So we can write it as 4 tens and 3 ones, because in ones place we have here 3, right? I'll give you one more example. Suppose the number is 57. The number is 5757. Again, see here, children. In ones place, we have here 7. And in tens place, we have here 5. Again, I'm repeating. In ones place, we have here 7. And in tens place, we have here 5. So what we can do is, again, we can write this number 57 in ones and tens form. So how can I write this number 5? I can write here it as 5 tens. Children, please look on your screen, because we have 5 in tens place, so we can write it down as 5 tens and 7 ones. 7 ones, because we have here 7 in ones place, so we can write it down as 7 ones. Okay? Fine. Okay, so now the number is 8585. Now the number is 8585. Ketan, you tell me how I can write 85 in tens and one forms.
Tell me, 85.
8.
8.
85.
No,
How
Ketan,
many
how
tens,
can
how
I
many
write
ones
it
are there?
in tens and one forms? What do we have in tens place here, Ketan?
8.
So what shall I write here?
8 tens.
Very good. 8 tens and
How many ones?
5.
and what do we have in ones place, Ketan?
5 ones.
Very good. 5 ones. Very good. Yes, very good. Okay, children, I'll give you okay, I'll ask you two questions more so that you'll have clear idea. Shri Shagvi, Shri Shagvi. Yes, Shri Shagvi, now tell me, unmute yourself. Yes, Shri Shagvi, now tell me, how can I write this number 72 in ones and tens forms?
7 is 10.
We will write 7 tens. Shri Shagvi, we will write here 7.
10.
And how many ones? What is the number in ones
2
place here?
ones.
Very good. 2 ones. 2 ones. Very good, Shri Shagvi. Very good. Okay. Mayuri.
Ma'am.
Mayuri, you tell me, how can I write the number 69 quickly? In ones and tens form.
One stand lo ఏముంది?
What is the number in tens place, Mayuri? See, look on your screen. Mayuri, what is the number in tens place?
6, 9, 69.
No, I am asking you, what is the number in tens place here?
10 places 6.
Very good, Mayuri. So what I will write? I will write here 6 tens. Okay, what I will write here, Mayuri?
6 tens.
Very good. And Mayuri, what is the number in ones place?
1 place is.
What is the number in ones place?
1 place is.
Mayuri, see, O is here, no? You can see this O? This O represents the number in ones place. So what is the number in ones place, Mayuri, here?
9.
9. So what I will write here? I will write here 9 ones. I will write here 9
Once.
Okay? Okay, Mayuri?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Yes, children, I hope till now you all have... Okay, is there anyone who has any doubt? If there is anyone who has any doubt, then you can raise your hand. Yes, Sai Ritvik, do you have any doubt, Sai Ritvik? Huh? You were raising your hand, no?
I didn't. Ma'am, you did not ask me, ma'am.
Okay. One by one, okay? Okay, children. Now we'll come to the exercise. Okay, match the following is there in your book. Right, match the following is there now. Now we'll come to the first bit. First one is 5 to 52. 5 to 52. Okay. Sudhamsh, you tell me how can we write the number 5 to 52, Sudhamsh?
5.
What is the number in ones place and what is the number in tens place?
5 tens. 5 tens.
5 10.
Yes, Sudhamsh.
5.
చెప్పు నాన్న, చెప్పు. 5 tens.
Loudly.
5 10.
5
Loudly
tens
speak.
and what is the number in ones place, Sudhamsh?
2 ones.
Yes, so the answer is 5 tens and 2 ones. Children, I am matching here. Please, you also check your answers. 5 tens and 2 ones. Sai Ritvik, now you tell, come on, answer for bit number B. How can you write the number 67?
67.
Sudhamsh, sorry, Sai Ritvik, in ones and tens form, tell me, what is the number in tens place?
6 10 and 7 ones.
Very good, Sai Ritvik. It is 6 tens and 7 ones. Children, please keep on checking your answers and match your answers also, okay? Pradiksha, tell me answer for bit number C, 94. What is the number in ones place and what is the number in tens place, Pradiksha? Pradiksha, tell me what is the number in tens place? Here T represents the number in tens place, Pradiksha. 9. So how many tens are there, Pradiksha?
9 10.
And how many ones?
4.
Yes, very good. So we have here 9 tens and 4 ones. Children, please keep on checking your answers and write down the correct answer. Hanvit.
చెప్పు, unmute washroom.
Ma'am, he has went to washroom.
Okay, he went to washroom. Okay, fine. Okay. Now the next number is 100. Janvi, you tell me. Where you will match this number 100.
100.
Very good. You will match it with 100 here. Very good. Very good, Janvi. Rohit Chaudhary. Rohit Chaudhary. Unmute yourself, Rohit Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rohit, tell me answer for the last bit. Number is 8888. What is the number in ones place and what is the number in tens place?
8 tens. 8 tens.
Yes,
8 ones.
very good. So this is 8 tens and 8 ones. Children, please keep on checking your answers and write down the correct answer. Okay? Yes. Okay, is there anyone who is still writing? Then you can raise your hand. If there is anyone who is still writing, then please raise your hand, children. Again, I am repeating, if there is anyone who is still writing, then please raise your hand. Okay, fine. So there is no one who is still writing. Now, children, see here. Now come to question number 3 on that same page. On page number 125, question number 3 is there. Question number 3 is there, children. You have to fill in the circles by counting backward. Okay, so children, I will write down this question. You can see on your screen. Children, question number 3 is there. You have to fill in the circles by counting backward. By counting backward. Okay. So see here, children, you can see in circle 100 number 100 is written there. So I will not draw here any circle. I will just make here blank spaces. Okay. Okay. Okay, children. Your first bit is you have to count backward and you have to write the number in the given circle. In the given circle. Okay. I am not drawing a circle. I am drawing a blank spaces. Okay, children. So your first number is 100. Your first number is 100 and you have to count backward. That is, you have to tell the before number. The before number. Okay. So what you will do is you have to write the number here which comes before 100. Ronald, tell me what comes just before 100.
99.
99. Okay, Ronald, very good. So children, write there 99 in the first circle. Okay, Ronald. Then before 99, what comes just before 99?
99 before 98.
98. Very good. Then before 98.
97.
Okay. 97. Okay, Ronald. Now, Ronald, please mute yourself. Ashrita, you tell me. Ashrita, tell me what comes before 97 now. Before 97, what comes? Tell me what comes just before 97.
9.
Yes, Ashrita.
96.
Very good. And before 96, what comes? Tell me fast.
95.
Very good. 95.
5.
Very good, Ashrita. Arhan Mohammed, unmute yourself and tell me what comes before 94.
What comes before 94?
Before what comes just before 94, Arhan Mohammed?
93.
93. So children, write down 93. And what comes before just before 93?
What comes before 93? Come on, say fast. 93 before.
93.
93
Very
before.
good. 92. And what comes just before 92?
92 before.
91.
91. Very good. So children, please check your answers also. 91. COVID. COVID.
What, ma'am?
Yes, COVID. Now tell me answer for bit number B. Number is 70. What comes just before 7070 COVID?
69.
Very good. 69. And before 69, what comes?
68.
Very good. And what comes before 68?
67.
Very good, COVID. 67. Very good. Dhruti. Dhruti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dhruti. Now tell me what comes just before 66.
65.
65.
Very good. And what comes before 65?
64.
64.
64.
64.
Okay, and before 64, what comes, Dhruti?
65.
No,
63.
before.
63.
63. Okay, Dhruti, very good. Hanvit. 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 Unmute yourself quickly, Hanvit. We don't have much time. Hanvit again, he's not there. Brinda. Brinda Raj, you tell me what comes before 63, Brinda.
62. 61.
Very good. 62, 61. Children, write down the answers quickly. Very good, Brinda. And children, listen to me very carefully. Tomorrow you have your online math test.